Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Flying India in-ear earphone. Yes, this is an earphone, which means singular, not plural. One thing I should mention before I start unboxing is that this particular device comes as part of a combo with a Bluetooth headset. In particular, this HBS 730 Bluetooth headset. This is a very popular design for neckband style headsets. So these two units come as a combo. And I will unbox both of them. I will start with this, the earphone, singular once again. So let's see what information is there on the box. It says in-ear earphones, Bluetooth, but it's not an earphone, not plural. I'll show you why it's singular. Comes with super extra bass, has one button microphone, flat tangle-free cable, hands-free pickup and call, etc. All of that. So let's just open this box and see what's inside. It's a very basic packaging actually. You can see all the stuff that is inside the box right over here. First we have a micro USB charging cable, pretty standard for such devices. I'm going to keep them right over here. Next we have a clip. This clip is what you wear around your ear to hold the monopod or earphone in place. I'll keep this here as well. This is the earphone in question. Yes, this is a singular earphone. You can say this is like an ear pod. This particular device has a nice, and for such a tiny device, has a nice design on it. You can see this one, the multifunction button has a unique design, and it's made to stand out on some level. There are volume rocker buttons over here on this side, and a micro USB charging port right over here. This is the piece that goes inside the ear. It comes with this hook basically. This is what secures the fit inside your ear. So this is box number 1, and let's take a look at box number 2, which is the headset. This is a standard HBS 730 wireless neckband style headset. We had an unboxing of a similar product before. So this also comes with very standard packaging. We have this is a user manual. Yes, this is a user manual. You can see right here, user manual. It is obviously advised that you read this at least once, as usual. If you read this once, you will know everything that you need to know to pair this device or set up this device for, so that you can use it in the near future. So that is one. Next, we have a micro USB charging cable. Once again, standard for such devices. I'm going to keep this one here. And this is the HBS 730 headset. Once again, a very standard neckband style design. The neckband itself looks flimsy and it seems that it's made out of PVC, but it's actually quite tough. There seems to be a metal framing inside, which I am assuming is part of the design. There are two modules here, and interestingly, the end of these modules, you can see like a depression over this particular depression that I'm talking about. The earphones can fit here, so you can carry it around. So you can carry this particular device around like this. There are a lot of buttons on the modules. This one is your play pause button, and these are the buttons that you use to change track. This is your call reception button, which also doubles as an LED indicator, and this is your volume rocker. What else do we have? There's a power on off button right over here, and if I'm not mistaken, yes, a micro USB charging port. You can see right here. Yes, there you go, micro USB charging port. And that's it. This is what you get inside the Flying India neckband wireless earphone with K1BT headset combo. Thank you for watching.